here. Don't forget to go into shading viewport so you can see what we're doing. So now we want to change this into a glass object. You think it's impossible in Eevee, but it's not, because even though at first you think, well, I turn up the transmission, nothing happens, you know, blend mode, something happens, but not exactly what you want. Oh, screen space refraction, you have to do that, of course. Yeah. Still nothing happens. What is it? Maybe the roughness down? No, not really. You have to go to the render properties and you have to click on screen space reflection, and within screen space reflection you have to click on refraction. There you have it, a glass cube.